You heard me, Undertaker. Big show. Tonight I'm gonna hurt you.
The King said that you heard Shawn referring to Shawn Waltman X-Pac, that the Undertaker and Big Show hurt Kane, and tonight Kane is going to hurt both the Undertaker and the Big Show. That sounds like a challenge to me. That's your...
Jimmy in there! Huh? Jimmy in there, Rob? Huh? You with me now? Shut up! Shut up! You listen to me! You listen to me! We always wanted to know when they meet Dick Rob. Know this? I can take you out. That is...
You heard Shawn. You heard me, Undertaker. Big Show. Tonight I'm gonna hurt you.
I'm not gonna do what they want. From now on, I do what I want. What?